Disclaimer. This is not an unboxing video, this is a feature review. I will go through the features. My videos are short, and reviews are crisp, to the point, filled with quality and complete information. Don't forget to subscribe. So without much delay, let's get started. Are you tired of using awkward manual pencil sharpeners? Is your current sharpener too heavy, bulky and noisy? Do you struggle to get the perfect sharp point on your pencils? Get the Fully Automatic Pencil Sharpener and you'll get a smooth cut finish with a sharp point fast. It is compact and lightweight, so you can easily take it with you anywhere and get a fast, evenly sharpened point every time. Dual-hole automatic pencil sharpeners, compatible with wooden writing and drawing pencils. Dual feature holes designed for pencil sizes 6 to 8 mm and 9 to 12 mm diameter separately for easy sharpening. Best USB or battery power supply. The electric pencil sharpeners is powered by a standard USB outlet. 4 AA batteries or 5 volts 2A adapter recommended but not included, so there is no need to worry about running out of power. 6 replacement SK5 blades. Our sharp flat blade has an extra long blade life which quickly sharpen your utensils to a perfect point in seconds. Package included 6 replacement SK5 blades. Kids friendly and safe. It works automatically while inserting pencil with pressure. The unit will stop operating if the shaving tray is removed or is not installed correctly to help prevent injury. Anti-skid feet pads to prevent slipping. Top priority performance and warranty. Great for home, school or office high volume use. Easy to clean by simply removing the cover and dusting away the shavings. All of our products and each are backed by a manufacturer warranty. If you're not satisfied, we're here to make things right. Electric pencil sharpeners. Oladwolf dual holes automatic pencil sharpener, battery and USB operated with 6 replacement SK5 blades, anti-slip, auto stop for safety, perfect for classroom, office, and home. Blue. Key features. Smooth cut and an evenly sharpened point each time. 2 power mode design, operated by battery 4xAA, not included, or a USB cable. Power cutoff safety feature prevents operation while tray is removed. Double hole design, 2 suitable for regular pencils and colored pencils with diameter 6 to 8 mm and 9 to 12 mm. SK5 stainless steel sharp blade for a superior smooth cut. Small and lightweight, so easy to carry it with you everywhere. Replaceable cutters design extends the lifespan of the battery-operated pencil sharpener. There are few links that has been provided in the YouTube description box. This include discounts, as well as unique products that you cannot come across in Google search. I earn a small commission. If you buy anything from that link, please buy me a beer. If you have any clarification, comment below the video. I will try my best to clear your doubts. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like my video, please subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you will get my new videos. Also don't forget to hit on like button. Thanks for watching. You are listening to Jason Peter, signing off.